Well, hello guys, I'm back with another makeup tutorial. So first I'm gonna go in with this moisturizer. I love it because it gives me like a nice glow. So now I'm gonna go in with this Neutrogena hydration gel, which I like. It's pretty good. Now I'm going in with this Anastasia brow pencil. I do not shade my eyebrows too much. I like a natural look, so I just do a slightly bit. Now I will be going in with some eyebrow gel, just a slightly little bit, so I can stay on all day, babies. Going in with this FENTY Beauty foundation. I love this. I am in shade 9. I just love this foundation. It gives me like a natural look. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go in with my MAC Fix Plus, spray it a little bit for that foundation to stay locked in, babies. Now I'm gonna blend. I really blend my foundation until like, I don't know, until like I feel like it. I like my foundation to look natural, to match with my neck, you know, so I really take my time. And yes, I'm gonna go in with my brush just a little bit because I want everything to be blended in, guys. Now I'm gonna go in with this CoverGirl concealer in the shade Natural, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I love this product. Now we're gonna blend this bad boy in, babies. Y'all already know I go crazy with this blending. I like no white cast, my love, because when they take pictures of me off guard, I want to look flawless, babies. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild contour stick. I will be applying this on my cheek, a little bit higher on my cheeks and my forehead because I got a big forehead. If you know, you know, but it's okay. I blended that contour in. I'm gonna go in with some blush from the Selena Gomez collection. I love this. Just a little slightly bit. A little bit goes a long way. Now let's blend this in. And of course, I'm gonna go in with my Benefit bronzer. I'm gonna put a slightly little bit just to set the cream bronzer in. And I'm also gonna go in with the blush from Benefit. I love this, guys. I don't know, I've been using the same products because it's like I'm used to certain things, but you know, I'm willing to try new things as well. Sometimes I just be adding different blushes because I like different color, but this is fire. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with my Dior blush, just a little bit. I love this color, man. I wish I could get the other one, but it's sold out everywhere. But yes, just a little bit. Alrighty, so with the same Benefit bronzer, I will be contouring my nose just a slightly little bit, not too much. Alrighty, so I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty eyeshadow palette, I think number 4. I'm gonna be placing the shade in the corners, just a little bit in both of my eyelids. So what I do is apply the shades first, and then at the end I would blend everything in. I feel like this is a way easier technique. Palette number 2, I will be using the darkest shade and make like a nice eyeliner look, but I'm gonna shade it in a little bit so it can give me that cat eye look. Alrighty, so right now what I'm about to do is take a little bit of foundation and just clean my eyeshadow, just slightly little bit so it can look more precise. And of course, I will be using my Anastasia highlight. I love this, man. Jesus Christ. I mean, come on, this is a beautiful highlighter, but I do mix my highlighters. I like a natural look, but I do like to mix it because I feel like different highlighters give you like a different look when you add two of them together. So this will be the next highlighter I will be adding. This one is the Champagne Pop. This is the collection they came out, I think like 2 years ago. I found mine in TJ Maxx, honestly, for $15. So check your nearest TJ Maxx, babies. Alrighty, so then I'm gonna go in with my Morphe lip liner. I love this shade. I think it's in a zippy. It's like a natural pinkish. It's like a lip color, but just a little bit tinter. I love this. Then I'm also gonna go in with some mascara. By the way, I used the NYX lip gloss. Gonna go in with some mascara. I have naturally long lashes, which I'm blessed to say. So this is the look so far. I love this. Y'all see those lips though? Yes. Alrighty, so I'm gonna be applying some lashes. I'm not the biggest fan of lashes because I don't know. It took me a long time to learn how to apply lashes. Mind you, I've been doing my own makeup for years now, but I just can't accomplish it. So the lashes are on, baby, even though it took me a minute, but yes. Let me spray some MAC Fix Plus. Love this. My makeup lasts all day, babies. How do you guys like this look? Please share, subscribe, and comment. If you guys would like me to try any other products, please comment down below. Thank you guys for watching.